Meet Lambda Python's shortcut for functions. Lambda functions are like little code snippets in Python. They let you define simple functions quickly. Think of them as mini functions you can create in a single line. Regular functions need a name, but lambdas don't. You use the keyword lambda to define them, followed by the input arguments, a colon, and the expression that the function will return. Lambda functions are great for when you need a function for a short task. You can use them directly within other functions, making your code more concise. Lambda versus regular functions, a quick comparison. Imagine you need to double a number. With a regular function you'd give it a name, like double. Then you'd write the code to multiply the input by 2 and return the result. With a lambda function it's much shorter. You simply write lambda xx times 2. This defines a function that takes a value x and returns its double. See how much space we save? Lambda functions are best for simple operations. If your logic is complex and needs multiple lines, stick to regular functions for better readability. Lambda in action real-world examples. Let's say you have a list of numbers and want to filter out the even ones. You can use a lambda function with the filter function to achieve this effortlessly. Here's a quick example. Numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even underscore numbers equals list, filter lambda x modulo 2 equals 0 numbers. Print even numbers hash output, 2, 4, 6. This code snippet demonstrates the power of lambda functions in concisely expressing simple logic within other functions like filter. Weighing the pros and cons of lambda functions. Lambda functions make your code compact and readable, especially when used for short, one-time operations. They are convenient for defining simple functions in line. However, lambda functions can be limiting for complex logic. They can only contain a single expression and are best suited for simple tasks. Excessive use might harm code readability. Overall, lambda functions are a valuable tool in a Python programmer's toolkit. Use them wisely to write efficient and elegant code.